Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity NFT Rarity tiers. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie is a unique non-fungible token, or NFT, with its own set of characteristics and attributes. One of the key factors that determines an Axie's value and abilities is its rarity tier. There are 6 rarity tiers in Axie Infinity: common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and mystic. Each tier has its own distinct characteristics and attributes, with higher tier Axies generally being more powerful and valuable. The rarity tier of an Axie is determined by its genetic makeup, which is represented by a unique set of numbers and letters. To understand how the rarity tiers work, let's take a look at each tier in more detail. Common Axies are the most abundant and have the lowest stats, while uncommon Axies have slightly higher stats and are less common. Rare Axies have higher stats and are less common than uncommon Axies, while epic Axies have even higher stats and are highly sought after. Legendary and mystic Axies are the rarest and most valuable, with extremely high stats and unique attributes. These Axies are highly prized by collectors and players, and can be very difficult to obtain. The rarity tier of an Axie can also affect its breeding and battling abilities, with higher tier Axies generally having an advantage. When it comes to determining the rarity tier of an Axie, there are a few key factors to consider. The first is the Axie's genetic makeup, which is represented by a unique set of numbers and letters. The second is the Axie's stats, which can include attributes such as health, speed, and attack power. The third is the Axie's body parts, which can include attributes such as eyes, ears, and mouth. To get the most out of your Axies, it's essential to understand the rarity tiers and how they work. This includes knowing how to breed and battle your Axies, as well as how to determine their rarity tier. By following these best practices, you can maximize your Axie's potential and get the most out of your gameplay experience. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity NFT rarity tiers are a key aspect of the game, determining an Axie's value, abilities, and breeding and battling potential. By understanding the different rarity tiers and how they work, you can take your gameplay to the next level and get the most out of your Axies. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this knowledge will help you make informed decisions and maximize your Axie's potential.